This video will take you through the procedure of binocular movements of eyeball. Binocular eye movements are of two types, versions and vergences. Number one, version. These are also known as conjugate movements. These are synchronous, means simultaneous, symmetric movements of both eyes in the same direction. These include number one, dextroversion. It is the movement of both eyes to the right. It results due to simultaneous contraction of right lateral rectus and left medial rectus. Number two, levoversion. It refers to movement of both eyes to the left. It is produced by simultaneous contraction of left lateral rectus and right medial rectus. Number three, supraversion. It is upward movement of both eyes in primary position. It results due to simultaneous contraction of bilateral superior recti and inferior obliques. Number four, infraversion. It is downward movement of both eyes in primary position. It results due to simultaneous contraction of bilateral inferior recti and superior obliques. Number five, dextro elevation. It is movement to the right and upside. It is caused by simultaneous action of right superior rectus and left inferior oblique. Number six, dextro depression. It is movement to the right and downside. It is caused by simultaneous action of right inferior rectus and left superior oblique. Number seven, levo elevation. It is movement to the left and upside. It is caused by simultaneous action of left superior rectus and right inferior oblique. Number eight, levo depression. It is movement to the left and downside. It is caused by simultaneous action of left inferior rectus and right superior oblique. Number nine, dextrocycloversion. It is rotational movement around the anterior-posterior axis in which superior pole of cornea of both eyes tilts towards the right. It occurs when the head is tilted towards left shoulder. Number 10, levocycloversion. It is just the reverse of dextrocycloversion. In this, superior pole of cornea of both the eyes tilts towards the left. It occurs when the head is tilted towards right shoulder. Number 2, vergences. These are also known as disconjugate movements. These are synchronous, symmetric movements of both eyes in opposite direction. For example, number 1, convergence. It is simultaneous inward movement of both eyes which results from contraction of the medial recti. Number 2, divergence. It is simultaneous outward movement of both eyes produced by contraction of the lateral recti. Now coming to the procedure. Patient is seated with head up and looking straight ahead. The examiner will hold a target about 40 cm in front of the patient. The examiner will then move the target in several gazes and ask the patient to follow it with the eyes without moving head. Both the eyes are evaluated independently. The readings are noted for all gazes by grading the movement from +4 to -4, where 0 stands for full and free movement, plus indicates overaction and minus indicates underaction in a particular gaze.